Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use product page templates on ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So on the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home, orders, products. We have the fulfillment, analytics, marketing and sales, contacts, apps, settings, and the online store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use product page templates on ShopBase. So using product page templates on ShopBase can help you create a consistent and professional look for your store. You can do that by going to your ShopBase admin panel and of course log in with your credentials, and then in the admin panel go to online store in the bottom here and click on themes. Then click on Customize for the theme you want to edit. Click on the drop-down menu and select Product Page. You'll see a list of templates, including the default template created by ShopBase. Click on Create Template to create a new one. Then use the editor to decide your template. You can add, remove, and rearrange blocks to customize the layout. You can also preview your template to see how it will look on your store. Once you're happy with your template, you can assign it to specific product pages. Go to products, we have it here on the left side also. Then go to all products where we are at the moment. Select the product you want to assign the template to and choose your new template from the list. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything. Bye guys.